Hey guys, this video will be once more about the transmission quality on SSB on the Q900 from Guohetec. The reason is they recently provided us with a recording of the PMR171, which is pretty much the same than the Q900, directly from the USB interface, but what they provided us is not really satisfying. Also, please read the video description for more details about that and my setup. I'm using this Shure SM35 headset microphone connected with my wireless system from ALD Systems, connected to my mixer Flow 8 from Behringer, full digital multi-channel recording device connected to my laptop. I'm speaking to you through this microphone right now, and I will also send the signal via headphone jack to the radios for the transmission test and comparison between Q900 and my FT-710. Okay, these radios are connected to my dummy load. Then I will receive the signal through this antenna with an SDR Play RSP Duo. Also connected to my laptop. There I have SDR Uno for receiving. And as a software for recording all this, I use OBS Studio. I will also be using the MH48 clone microphone adapted to the Q900 plug, because this is the one doing the most problems with the modulation on SSB. Also, I forgot, I will keep the dummy load and antenna far away from the shack so I don't catch any interference or any transmission coming directly out of the devices. I will start with a Yaesu set to 20 watt, which is the maximum power of the Q900. And so now you hear clear audio and there's no overload coming from my setup. But I will also change the bandwidth to get the bandwidth more closer to the Q900. From previous tests, I know that the Q900 has a low cut at about 200 Hz. That's why I now will be using these settings. Now I will proceed with the Q900. As you can see, the newest firmware 346 is installed. And I will also show you the settings for transmission that I use. So on transmit you have mic gain 14, bass and treble 0. And also power settings set to 20 watt. This is now a recording with the headset connected to my Q900. And as you can hear, it's already transmitting a lot of noise. I will turn down the microphone. So yes, this is the noise transmitted. The power is set to 20 watt. The following audio settings: gain 14, bass and treble 0. This is now an audio recording with the Q900 with the power set to 20 watt, speaking through my headset and with the following audio settings: with the gain set to 14 and bass and treble to 0. Now next I will do the same with 5 watt. This is now a test recording with a Shure microphone connected to the Q900 with the power set to 5 watt. Now I will proceed with the MH48 clone and keep it very close to the mouth as recommended by Guohetec, but I will not change the audio settings for now. Now the Q900 with the MH48 clone connected to it with the power set to 20 watt and the following audio settings: gain 14, bass treble 0. Now next I will be using the recommended settings by Guohetec. This will be the gain set to 15, bass set to 2 and treble set to -2 and treble set to -8. So the recommended settings by Guohetec, I will lower the treble to 8 and Also the bass to -2. So these are the recommended settings by Guohetec. So now listen and decide for yourself. And as you can see with the gain settings, there's much more noise transmitted. So I'll just won't speak for a while. And once more, the MH48 clone with the recommended settings by Guohetec. And the power set to 5 watts. Again, listen and decide for yourself. Now I switched back to the headset. I will lower the gain for starters. This is now the Q900 with the headset. Again, now with the bass and treble settings recommended by Guohetec. I will now adjust them back to what I used before. And this is 5 watt. And now I will be doing full power 20 watt again. This is now a recording again with the headset and the Q900. And now, as a reminder, this is what the Yaesu sounds like. I also can just raise the power to 100 watts and still very clear audio, so my setting is clean. I found out that the bandwidth settings, oops, sorry about the frequency, from the Q900, even I measured 200 Hertz, it sounds more like 300 Hertz low cut. Now, once more, the Yaesu with the bandwidth from 300 to 27. Still very clear audio. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and as a reminder, please read the video description.